Forget to follow up? That's like Batman forgetting his utility belt. You're showing up to the fight unarmed. Sales reps still rely on sticky notes, inbox flags, or Gary's memory. No wonder deals vanish faster than Houdini. Let's AI sort this mess. Use HubSpot or Close.com. They log calls, emails, and auto-remind you when leads go cold. Set up auto nudges with Instantly AI, gentle pings, like Spider-Man tapping your shoulder. Supercharge it with Clay plus ChatGPT. Create follow-ups that feel custom, even while you're binge-watching Netflix. Or build your own follow-up machine with moksy.ai, a free website builder with AI blocks, no coding skills needed. If Iron Man can automate his suit, you can automate your sales. How do you make sure no deal slips through? Hit subscribe. Yeah, more AI superpowers coming.